Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add movements to elements like images using entrance animations in Wix Studio. We are going to start by adding an element. Let's click on this plus icon in the top left corner, click on media, and right here we can select, for example, this one. Resize it and bring it into position. Then go to the inspector on the right side and click on animations and effects. Then click on the entrance section right here and then click on plus add. You can now select any of these entrance animations. I'm going for expand right here. You can also adjust this animation by clicking here on adjust animation, and here you have the options to scale it, change the duration, adding and delay, and also decide how the easing is gonna perform. To see how it looks like, just click on preview on the bottom. Just to show you another example for an entrance animation, I'm gonna try another one. For the next one, let's choose float, which looks very nice. You can change the duration and also the direction if necessary. To see it again, click on preview. And if you want to see how it looks like after publishing your website, just click on the preview button in the top right corner. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.